Mimi unajua mimi
I'm pleased to welcome Europa crew member passenger and city of Mombasa will make good business today, and it's one way of promoting County 001 to make it a cruise destination for Kenya.
It's a great chance to be here and to experience the people, the city of Mombasa, and of course the great nature and countryside. So we're very happy to be here, looking forward for the rest of the day, and hope to come back soon one day.
So basically it's my very first time in Kenya, so I'm really excited. My parents got to know each other in Kenya 50 years ago, so this is my time to explore Kenya and Mombasa today for the first time, yes.